ADA lawsuits have skyrocketed 265% since 2020, and your business could be next. Digital accessibility isn't just nice to have anymore, it's legally required. E-commerce and healthcare websites are getting hit hardest with these lawsuits. The most common violations? Keyboard navigation failures, poor color contrast, and missing alt text for images. These might seem like small details, but they're keeping millions of people with disabilities from using your site. The financial damage goes beyond just settlements, which can reach millions. You'll face legal fees, resource drain, and ongoing compliance costs that can cripple small businesses. But the reputation damage? That's even worse. Studies show 70% of consumers will drop a brand facing accessibility lawsuits. Once you're labeled as excluding people with disabilities, rebuilding trust takes years. Smart companies are conducting regular accessibility audits, training their development teams, and making accessibility part of their core business values. This isn't just about avoiding lawsuits. It's about expanding your customer base. Don't wait for a lawsuit to force your hand. Run a free compliance scan today to identify issues before they become legal problems. Creating an inclusive digital space isn't just the right thing to do. It's the smart business move that protects your brand and welcomes everyone to your digital doorstep.